every advanced industry in the world is moving towards composites. We are able to support the Australian industry to help adapt to these increasing demands.
We're not really restricted to working on one type of component, one type of part. We've got the experts that are going to look at different applications and how it can really benefit your project.
Advanced composites is important for basically anywhere where lightweight or high strength or stiffness are required. Customers can come to us anywhere on the technology readiness level scale. We can design and manufacture our tool, design and manufacture our part from that tool, make the part, and then inspect and test the finished part at the end, all within a matter of days. That risk of things going wrong is severely reduced by having everything under the one roof.
We really want manufacturers to be able to come in, utilise the equipment that we have, the experts that we have, and go forward with their manufacturing business and scale with confidence.